When I was a young boy, my teacher came to me and said, Jackson, if you cannot find your dream job, you can always create a job for yourself. I took my teacher's advice seriously, so in my early 20s, I started to open tuition business. Somewhere in my late 20s, I saw the business and I moved into setting up a training company, and today, here I am 18 years later. So being an entrepreneur and running a business has been part of my life, and I always have no regret because I have the freedom to exercise my ideas, and sometimes it worked, sometimes it didn't work. But after doing business for a long time, I understand how a lot of new entrepreneurs, how they can master the fundamental. If you ask questions like, how can I start a business? How can I expand my business? How can I grow my business? How can I increase the revenue? How can I increase the profit without hiring more? How can I brand my products and position myself strongly in the industry? How can I grow my customers? So these are the worries of many entrepreneurs. If you want to know the answer, I'd like to invite you to attend my workshop, and I'll be answering some of the key questions that many entrepreneurs are asking me. Yeah. So in this market right now, with no GST in Malaysia, how can you benefit from no GST? Are you prepared for the SST that is coming in September? How can you profit from the loss? Because in every business venture, not every time you are going to make profit. From the statistics, many businesses fail in the first 3 years because they do not understand the fundamental of running a business. It's not just about technology, it's not about just capital, but you need to understand what is your vision in your business, what is your long-term goal. And there are a lot of fundamental things that entrepreneurs need to understand so that they can sustain and they can last long in the business and they can grow the business. So I'd like to share with you some fundamental and some secrets. That's why I'm inviting you to come to my workshop. I see you there, and this is Jackson.